Ford just did what the rest of the truck industry refused to do. Confirm a brand new, large displacement V8 for the 2027 F-150, and it's already making Ford haters bow down. If you've been watching turbocharged V6s and electric motors quietly push real V8 power out of this segment, what Ford has just announced is the answer you've been waiting for. Most people assume that buying a modern half-ton truck means settling for forced induction and artificial torque curves. But the 2027 F-150 is arriving with not one, but potentially two brand new naturally aspirated V8 options, including the legendary Godzilla engine pulled straight from the Super Duty lineup. Number 7. Next, Generation V8. The biggest story surrounding the next generation F-150 starts right under the hood. Ford is developing an all-new V8 that builds directly on the legendary Coyote architecture, the same foundation that has powered everything from Mustangs to championship-level racing programs. This is far from a bored-out version of the familiar 5.0-liter unit. The displacement is expected to land somewhere between 5.8 and 6.2 liters, a jump in cubic inches that puts this engine in a category of its own within the half-ton class. Think about the last time you pressed the accelerator in a turbocharged truck and felt that brief hesitation, that disconnect between your foot and what the engine actually does. For buyers who have spent years tolerating that gap, the naturally aspirated V8 is the answer. No turbo lag, no torque figures that drop off under load, just direct, immediate response at any RPM. Output figures are tracking around 450 horsepower in naturally aspirated form. And what makes this engine even more interesting is its origin. Ford is drawing from the same development program responsible for the Mustang GT3 and GT4 racing cars, bringing genuine motorsport-derived architecture into everyday truck use. And while this new Coyote-based V8 is already a serious piece of engineering, a second engine option is arriving alongside it. And for many buyers, it might actually be the more compelling choice. Number 6. Light-duty Godzilla. For buyers who measure a truck's value in decades rather than model years, what's reportedly arriving alongside the new Coyote-derived V8 could be the more relevant choice. Ford is bringing the famous 7.3-liter Godzilla engine from the Super Duty lineup into the light-duty F-150 for the very first time, and the implications go well beyond a simple headline. Few things sting like an unexpected repair bill on a truck that's still being paid off. Modern engines packed with overhead cams, variable valve timing, and turbocharger components give mechanics more to work with and owners more to worry about. That's exactly the problem the Godzilla's design was built to avoid. Its pushrod architecture operates with considerably fewer moving components than dual overhead cam designs, which translates directly into lower service costs over time. The block is cast iron, delivering a level of resilience under sustained heat and load that serious tow operators genuinely value. Power estimates are placing this engine between 450 and 500 horsepower, with torque potentially reaching 550 pounds-feet. These are figures that would make it the strongest, naturally aspirated option in the half-ton segment by a clear margin. Two V8 options make a powerful statement about what's under the hood, but what's being done to the outside of this truck is turning just as many heads. Number 5. New styling. The exterior of the 2027 F-150 is receiving a complete redesign, and the direction is unmistakable. Sharper lines, a more angular presence, and a bolder overall stance are all coming, replacing the current generation's softer profile with something that reads as more mature and more deliberate on the road. Every major body panel is going to be reworked. The front end is shaping up to carry a wider, more imposing face with revised light signatures and a grille structure that communicates purpose without excess. The side profile is being given a more planted look, with sculpted surfaces that emphasize the truck's width and capability. For buyers who pull up to a job site, a boat ramp, or a campground, the 2027 F-150's exterior is going to make a statement before anyone checks the specs. But if the exterior is already turning heads, what Ford has planned for the inside is an even bigger departure from what owners have come to expect. Number 4. Interior redesign. Pull the door handle on a Ram 1500 today, and the quality of the cabin makes itself known almost immediately. The materials, the layout, and the attention to detail have been the benchmark in this segment for years, and the gap between it and the F-150 has been difficult to ignore. Ford engineers are fully aware of where that gap exists, and the 2027 model is being developed specifically to close it. Upgraded surfaces throughout the cabin, a reworked dashboard layout, and a completely revised center stack are all expected to feature in the next generation model. A new infotainment setup is being developed to deliver quicker response, cleaner graphics, and more intuitive navigation, a system that feels current rather than dated. For buyers spending a substantial amount on a full-size truck, every element of the cabin should feel proportionate to the investment. A premium interior is a meaningful step forward, but a truck is ultimately judged by what it can do, and the capability numbers Ford is targeting are the kind that genuinely change what buyers are willing to consider. Number 3. Improved work capabilities. The F-150 has held a strong position in the towing conversation for a long time, but the next generation isn't settling for its current standing. A maximum towing capacity of 14,000 pounds is being targeted for the 2027 model, a figure that fundamentally changes how this truck fits into a buyer's working life. For years, loads like larger fifth wheels, enclosed car haulers, and fully loaded equipment trailers have pushed buyers toward Super Duty territory. The 2027 F-150 is closing that gap. The additional cost, larger footprint, and heavier fuel consumption of a 3/4-ton platform become harder to justify when a half-ton truck covers the same requirement. Payload figures are also expected to improve alongside the towing numbers, giving the bed itself more useful daily capacity. Those are impressive numbers on paper, but capability only matters if the truck is genuinely pleasant to drive between jobs. And that's where one of the F-150's longest-standing weaknesses has finally been put on notice. Number 2. Improved ride quality. Ask F-150 owners what they would change about their trucks, and the answer comes back consistently. The ride, particularly over rough pavement, has never been the truck's defining quality. Against the Ram 1500 and its coil spring rear suspension, the F-150 has consistently felt stiffer and less composed through the kind of imperfections that daily drivers encounter on every commute. That stiffness compounds over time. A jarring ride across 20,000 miles a year becomes something owners actively resent. Ford engineers are targeting that experience directly with the 2027 model, with changes to the suspension architecture and chassis tuning that point to structural improvements